Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another Prizerebel video. Just wanted to let you guys know the progress today. It's Sunday, so it's a perfect day to get on top of doing surveys and offers because people go to church on Sunday and then they go out to lunch. They usually don't start till the afternoon. So you want to get on top of this ASAP. So let me just do some updates. I have 87 cents. I have 7 messages in my inbox. Make sure you check these. These are surveys dedicated just towards you. I have a daily challenge today. If I reach $1.62, which is 162 points, they give me 7 cents. So I want to make sure that I hit that goal. Also, your surveys, there's 7 of them. That means there's 7 surveys including or not including the 77-cent survey. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. And then you have all your daily surveys. I would knock these out first, guys. Look, 146 points for 14 minutes. 84 cents for 10, 84 for 13, 84 for 10. Okay, knock these out. Knock them out. If you do 6 surveys, and then let me just show you. Knock these out. Do as many of these as you can. If you do a couple and you get disqualified, come over and do your coupons.com offer 25 cents. Easy. Save them to your computer and let it sit. Then go to your offers, your offer walls. And you can do any of these. I like Offer Toro, AdSend, AdGate. Revenue Universe is okay. And make sure, guys, before you start doing Prizerebel, you clear your internet cache, which is where all the files are stored, so you make sure that offers credit. So if you're using Google Chrome, let me show you how to do that real quick. Go to History, show full history. Then on the side here, it's going to say clear browsing data. And you want to do both of these. So you're going to do basic first. Make sure this says all time. Then you're going to do advanced. Okay. And then you're going to clear your data, which I'm not going to do because it'll end the video. And then you open up a new window and you start your Prizerebel. That way offers do credit. You can do them and earn your $5 a day because Christmas and Black Friday and Thanksgiving are coming and we need this extra cash. So I want to invite you to join my team. The link will be in the description. There's also surveys down here if you'd like to take them. It's something that if you need the money, you're going to do it. Whether or not you join under my link, I'm still going to make the money. So it's totally up to you, but I want to give you the opportunity. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into my activities for the day and earn my $5 today because I got some stuff I have to take care of. I have $4.13 to earn. So I want to get started ASAP, but I just wanted to come on here and give y'all an update. Also, when you're busy doing stuff, work, gotta run chores, gotta feed the kids, cook dinner, always run your videos. Go to videos and run these videos, okay? You can cash out on Hideout TV and convert your points 3 times a day. Creator of the Day also gives you double points, so I would suggest you do this first and then do these, but that's just my opinion. So happy earning, guys. I wanted to give you an update. I hope you use my link in the description, join my team, and let's get earning so we can get some Christmas money saved. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. and I will have a new video up for you shortly. Thanks for watching.